Hello everyone, I am Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel and today we are going to fix an issue with our Samsung refrigerator. So our ice maker in Samsung refrigerator is not working. So we're gonna see possible ways to fix this issue, and if you're also having the same, then watch this video till end and let's start the video without any delay. So first of all, make sure to check two things. First thing, that whether the door is closed or not, because the ice maker will not dispense ice when door is open. Second thing, you have to check whether your fridge is leveled or not. Now check whether child lock option is off or not. Make sure to disable child lock option, because if it is on, then ice maker will not work. Now make sure to turn on ice maker feature and select the ice. Now check whether water supply is connected to fridge or not, and also make sure it must have a high pressure. Now remove large ice cubes from the ice bucket. But if this following method does not work, then simply call the technician, or you can check out the official website of Samsung to get the solution of a specific problem that you are facing. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you soon.